10 tips to improve your internet privacy. 1. Don't use public storage for private information. 2. Use messaging apps with end-to-end encryption. 3. Stay private on Wi-Fi networks. 4. Use a strong and unique password for each of your online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. 5. 6. Keep your software and operating system up to date. 7. Be cautious when sharing personal information on social media. 8. Disable cookies and clear your browsing history regularly. 9. Review privacy settings on all your online accounts and adjust them accordingly. 10. Be wary of phishing scams and suspicious emails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.